This is a Home Depot outdoor power equipment load that we bring in. It's all gas power related, anything and everything gas power related. In the wintertime, you see a lot of snow blowers on the loads. In the summertime, springtime, you see a lot of lawnmowers, weed eaters, that kind of stuff. This load, it's going to be a mix of returns, new. There'll be some seasonal outdoor power equipment on the load. You'll get log splitters on the load. You get generators on the load, snow blowers, lawnmowers, weed eaters, chainsaws, power washers, all that stuff. So it's a wide variety. Anything gas power related will be on these loads. Most of this stuff, you put gas in it, probably start right up, run. Some of it might have to clean the carburetor out. A lot of stuff's going to be perfectly fine. You know, there's no rhyme or reason why people return stuff. They use it, cut the grass 3 or 4 times, they return the stuff, and it's still fine. This is not a salvage load, which means the bulk of this load will be perfectly fine. Just tinker with it. It's a load that someone's got a little bit of mechanical experience. Great load, broken down, sold by the piece in season. So this load, if you're interested in this load, just let us know. We can give you a quote on bringing this load in. We usually don't bring this load in and sell by the piece. We sell it to our truckload customers. But as you can see, the load is full of mowers. It's got DeWalt power washers. You're going to see generators on. I think there's a generator over. What do you thought that's generator? Somewhere in this pile is a big generator. You've got your brushless mowers. There's a power washer pallet full of power washers. So if you're interested in one of these loads, let us know. We'll be happy to help you out, give you a quote on it. Freight's not included on the price. We have to give you a freight quote as well as the load cost. We can have these delivered anywhere in the US. The closer you are to the distribution center, the cheaper the freight. So if you got any questions, give us a call.